Hey guys, it's Noah here, and today we're going to be cleaning up some stuff I swept up with the push broom right here, and I'm going to suck it up with my 20-year-old RIDGID wet dry vac model WD6000, 6 gallons, 2 horsepower, wet dry vac. So no, this clip is going to go. I'm doing this clip for the upcoming Noah Hackworth 8675309 Jenny. 8675309 by Tommy Two-Tone. Yeah. Please, it's going to be coming out this week, so please stay tuned. I don't know what day it's going to come out, but it's going to be this week. So, but this clip that I'm about to do is for trash can out of the way so I can. Yeah, there's stuff right there I'll get to. So this video that I'm doing is going to be in the 8675309 video. So let's get started. So warning, turn down your volume. This is very loud. 3, 2, 1. Well then, that does about it for this video. And what was I going? Just note, I repeat, this is going to be in the upcoming Noah Hackworth 8675309 Jenny music video. All right, so but anyways, that does it for this video. Comment, subscribe for more.